Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For Love of Running. My name is Luke. I'll be your host for this morning. I am basically coming to you from beside Lake Albert over here. I didn't realise it was called Lake Albert, but if you know where Lake Albert is, you'll know that this morning we are out doing Meningie Parkrun. So we are 2 hours southeast of Adelaide. Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. I could just film that. You know, don't have to have me running. Just film that, and I'm going to be happy with that. But anyway, yeah. So we're continuing our journey of parkrun touring. Yeah, I'm going to go parkrun touring. And so yeah, basically it brings us down to Meningie. Neither one of us, like myself, Kelly, or even the German Shepherd, we haven't done this one yet. So it's going to be good to give the course a bit of a go. It looks like kind of like a 2.5 lap sort of out and back. The starting point is at a giant pelican, or big pelican. I don't want to oversell it. It's over there somewhere. And yeah, each week, I mean, last week they only had around about 10 numbers here. But it really says something about a community that, although they're not getting massive amounts of numbers and not getting hundreds, whatever, they still put on parkrun for us runners. So big thank you to all the volunteers who make this possible. Now, it's meant to be a top of 29 degrees today. It's not top of 29 degrees. Well, not yet anyway. It's pretty fresh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do a bit of a warm up, and then I'm going to mosey on over to the big pelican. And so we'll see you all over there.
When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off. Go off, so go off, go off, go off. Go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off. Go off, so go off, go off, go off. Go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off. Go off, so go off, go off, go off. Go off, go off, go off, go off. Go off, so go off, go off, go off. Go off.
Where do I find peace of mind? Get alone, talking to myself. Change the pace, I held my tongue. Take time to fix myself. I say what you want me to. I'm a puppet on a string, only move how I'm supposed to. Put some miles on my feet.
Last 600.
Every time I back myself away, get so loud, shut it out. It won't die in the open. Where are you now? Where are you now? It's time to see you as the day.
First time ever. Yeah, you don't really move your one.
Alright guys, there you have it. That is Meningie Parkrun done, and I honestly think you agree. Perfect day for it. I mean, you weren't here, but you can tell. Perfect day for it. Yeah, no wind, beautiful weather. The locals, you guys were fantastic. Big thank you to everyone that took an interest in this channel. Hopefully I did your parkrun justice. So yeah, anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe so you can stay in the loop about new videos I release. And yeah, drop a like and a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.